Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 and Windows 11 slow lagging problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go down here, click on the start button on your Windows and then go to the settings page. After you click on settings, you will find this page right here. All what you have to do is click on privacy and then scroll down until you find the background apps option. All what you have to do here is make all those apps off. For example, I'm gonna make the 3D viewer of the calculator, the camera, the clock, and all of these. And after you finish, all what you have to do is go back here and then go to uninstall from here or apps. Right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your PC. All what you have to do is uninstall the apps that you don't need. For example, I'm gonna choose uTorrent, click on it and click uninstall. And after you finish, go back to your home screen, go down here, click on the taskbar, task manager. Now here, all what you have to do is click on the apps that are working and you don't need on your right mouse and click on end task. After you finish, restart your PC and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.